What's up, everybody? Paul Hickey here. Welcome to section 2. This is setting up an Amazon developer account. So in this section, we're going to take a look at the following. First, we're going to set up an Amazon developer account. Then in future videos, we're going to look at an overview of the types of skills you can build. We're going to look at building basic conversations, building games, talk about what is in-skill purchasing, and what are Alexa hosted skills. So for section 2, video 1, let's talk about setting up an Amazon Alexa developer account. So the first thing you're going to want to do is visit developer.amazon.com. So I've typed in developer.amazon.com, and you'll see this screen here that says Amazon Developer Services and Technologies. And the next thing you're going to do is click on Amazon Alexa. Now, once you get to the developer.amazon.com Alexa page, you're going to click the sign in link. And even though you don't have an account yet, you're still going to want to click the sign in link. And then after you click the sign in link, you can go down here under New to Amazon and click Create Your Amazon Account. Now you're in the account creation process for your Amazon Alexa developer account. So the next thing you're going to do is just simply type in your name and your email address, and then create a password. After you've entered in your name and your email address and your password, you'll click the blue Create Your Amazon Account link. Amazon will always send your email address a verification in the form of a one-time password. They call it an OTP. So you're going to need to go back over into your email account and get your OTP. In my case, it's 519357. So you enter in your OTP. In this case, mine was 519357, and then you're going to click the blue Verify button. Now I have created my Amazon Alexa developer account. And what I'm going to need to do is click the Amazon Alexa logo up in the top left-hand corner, and then click the blue Get Started button for the Alexa Skills Kit. And then it's going to say, looking for the developer console, sign in here. Now it'll take you to your registration screen. You're going to have to complete these last two sections of the account creation process. So you're going to have to enter in a valid phone number, address, company name, and you don't have to put a customer support email address, phone, or customer support website in here. I would recommend that you put in a developer description or company description. You can go up to 4,000 characters, so I would recommend that you go ahead and do that. And then once you're done, click Save and Continue. It is then going to ask you to read the terms and conditions. So you scroll through. It is up to you to read it or not read it, but you are going to have to scroll all the way down and then click Accept and Continue. And now they have created your developer profile successfully, and you can click Go to Settings. Now you have an account. You can go ahead and edit account settings if you want to, but you are the administrator of your account. And now to start building your Alexa skill, you're going to hover over the Alexa option in the main navigation, which is third from the left, and then click Alexa Skills Kit. And now you are in your Alexa developer console. This is what it's going to look like, and you can go ahead and click the blue Create Skill button to start to create your skill. Accept the terms and conditions.